Okay, continue with our project. We are going to create our new component, a new component that will be a card, JXX. Okay, that component will show us the value, and we have two buttons that will be counter up and counter down, +1, plus -1. Okay, so first I'm going to set graph C. Okay, I don't need that line here. Just type here start our card with class name. Okay, so I'm going to set a background white, a width 60, on age auto. Okay, I'm going to round Excel, that's right, and I'm going to set the shadow. Shadow Excel. Okay, here I'm going to set down maybe title for a second. I'm going to type HU. Okay, I'm going to say title. In the app.js, don't need button anymore. I'm going to import the card, and here I'm going to use the card component. Card. Okay. Okay, we have some errors here. Let me see what's happening. In the card component, we have an error. I think I have deleted this. Okay, now it's right. I just have here my card. So I want to give a more styled title here. I'm going to use another div with a class name. I'm going to set here an h1. I'm going to say counter up. Okay, and let's style that div. That will be just like a header. So first I'm going to give a background blue 900, flex, justify center, rounded on top. I'm going to round it just Excel. I'm going to give a padding vertically of 2. Okay, that's right. So in the H1 I'm going to give some other class, just test to Excel, and give the test slate 50. There we have our header of our card. Continue with that. I'm going to create another div. Here we are going to have an issue, and it will contain the number. I just type a number just for design purposes. So here I'm going to have a class name. I'm going to give padding the y direction of 10, to set a flex, and justify center. That's right. Okay, now I'm going to style the h2 class name. I will only set test 8xl. Okay, that's right. For me, it's just fine. Okay, so The last part, I'm going to set maybe a footer to our cart. I'm going to use here our button component. Okay, I'm going to use button import button. That's right. So I'm going to use here a button. Okay, that button we have of test +1. No, -1. I'm going to set there the -1. And okay, I have here our button, but I'm going to fix with or styling our div container. So I'm going to use background blue 900 to set around bottom Excel bottom Excel. Okay, give padding y of 4. Use flex. Okay, that's right, I just have it. I will use here that button, so I'm going to copy the button again and use +1. Okay, so let's give here a justify evenly. Okay, that's fine. So I have the two buttons that I'm going to use here, +1, -1. And the idea is that now we're going to give the actions to each button in order to change the value of that number. Okay, so let's see what happened in the next video.